The JC Combined Index gained over 3,000 points last week or 1%. 123 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, July 26, 2024. 61 made gains, 45 lost value, and 17 stayed the same. 176 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $822 million. Palace Amusement was the week's most traded stock. It lost 1 cent to open the week at $1.16. Wigton traded at the second highest. The stock lost 2 cents to open Monday at $1.03. And Trans-Jamaican rounded out last week's most traded with 10 million shares changing hands. The stock gained 2 cents to close the week at $1.05. Iron Rock Insurance was the market's biggest gainer, up 39% to close the week at $3.04. Dollar was the week's second biggest gainer, up 17%. And Pulse was up 16% to close the week at $1.72. On the losing side now, Berger Paints Jamaica was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 27% to open Monday at $6.16. CAC 2000 was down 25%. And Sterling Investments lost 21% to close the week at 2 cents US. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly flat last week. Massey was the most traded stock. The stock lost 8 cents to open Monday at $3.58 TT. NCBFG was the biggest gainer of the week. The stock was up 7%, starting the week at $3 TT. And on the losing side, Endeavour Holdings was down almost 12% to open Monday at $15. Over in the US, the Dow Jones was mostly flat last week, while the S&P 500 fell 1.5% and the Nasdaq lost 3%. Motorists got a small win over the pumps last week. Gas prices were down 95 cents, while diesel prices dipped $3.06. In foreign exchange, it took an average $157.43 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 44 cents more than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $114.72 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $202.03 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $175.06 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were up 5% over the past 5 days, trading at $68,763 US on Monday. Meanwhile, Ethereum prices stayed relatively stable, trading at $3,332 US on Monday.